We also went on a sea safari in the Algarve. The Algarve is known as a top destination for sea lovers. And it's not only the beaches, the natural rock formations, and the caves that appeal to the visitors, but also the whales and dolphins. We didn't see whales, but plenty of dolphins. They are frequently seen in the watching tours. The common dolphin, bottlenose dolphin, bristle dolphin, harbor porpoise, and the minke whale are the most seen sea mammals. Sharks, often blue shark and occasionally hammerhead or treasure sharks and other fish are also seen. Other fish like marlins and sunfishes. All these species perform migrations for feeding and reproduction, either crossing the Atlantic or entering and exiting the Mediterranean. The two most common species found in most of the boat trips are the common and the bottlenose dolphins. Both are residents in the area, meaning that they live in the waters all year round because they find good conditions. Guide is crucial to show not only the amazing biodiversity of the region, but also to explain about the impact of human activities on these ecosystems, making a big effort to raise awareness on the special and fragile habitat and its inhabitants.